Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use emotes in Dark and Darker. To do this, you will need to click on Escape, go for the options and locate the inputs. Right here, find the emote wheel, which is T by default, and for you it might be something else. Now to call it out in a game, you need to hold the T and then choose the emote from the emote wheel. And now to customize it, click on Customize button right here, go for the emotes. Now drag the emotes from this tab right here and add them to your emote wheel, like that. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.